Alright guys, finally got a camera sling bag, and this will be the unboxing video for the Lowepro Magnum 200. Oh, nice. I don't want to carry all my equipment for nearby trips, so this sling bag will come in very handy. Receipt has even got the original barcode here on the plastic bag. Nice. Oh, nice. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, first impression, first touch. Feels very solid. Is it ballistic nylon? Hard base at the bottom, so it stands on its own on shitty terrains. I often shoot in nature places, so I definitely need a solid base. Very light as well. 1.72 kg. Here it has got the hole to put this through your luggage. Nice Magnum 200 AW. This one is stuck to the bag permanently. You cannot remove it. And this is a good feature because you will not lose your rain cover. Comparing this again with the Think Tank retrospective sling bag, the rain cover is detachable, entirely detachable from the sling bag, and I don't like that feature because you will eventually lose that stuff, the rain cover. So the rain cover covers the top, front, left and right and goes all the way to the bottom, but of course, as expected, it doesn't cover the back. If you really want to cover it, you can just put it like that. Yeah. I like this flap as well. Another preventive measure, minimize dust buildup in dusty environments, and of course to prevent slight rain. One strap here to carry, and if your equipment heavier, maybe you don't want to stress this part, you can use two hands to hold it. Nice Lowepro innovation. Card holder here as well. It's a netting. This side, nothing. And I like the logo as well, very discreet. But if I want to be more discreet, probably I will tape it up. What I like about this bag is that it has attachment possibilities, a lot of them, all around this bag. Over here you can attach. Here, these two loops as well. Even these two loops here, and the side pocket here, 3 loops. That's crazy. And the rear, there's these 2 as well, and here 2 loops, and the other side has 3 loops as well. Think Tank retrospective only had 1 side loop. So much of attachment possibilities, man. Okay, the zip is usual Lowepro quality. Very solid. Is this YKK? Yeah, it is YKK. Very solid. Solidly built. Doesn't feel flimsy. Look at this. A lot of compartments. I don't think I need so many. I will remove some of them. At least it gives you the flexibility to adjust whatever is required for your equipment. Let me check the smell. Okay, so in fact there is no more new smell inside here, probably because this one has been kept in storage for many years. Yep, this is the leftover brand new stock. Glad I managed to grab one before it's completely gone, because I cannot find any other bags that is this size, this safety and this kind of functionality. I was thinking about the Think Tank retrospective, however, that one is made of like canvas material, and I used canvas bag before. In Asia climate, I sweat a lot. My previous National Geographic bag stink like hell because it's canvas material, something like the jeans material you are wearing, and it's very smelly when I sweat. Okay, nice accessory pouch. Fantastic. Oh, opens all the way. This is very handy. So this bag seems like it will fit my purpose, deep enough to fit my long lens without laying it horizontally. Okay, even got this cloth, not sure what it's for. Lots of compartments here, lots of padding for you to customize. Big zipper storage here. So it's very soft inside, the usual Lowepro high quality standard. Soft foam interior, and it's hard on the outside. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, okay. So here is the strap. Yep. Nice. Oh. Oh, lots of big compartments. Considering this prior to buying, and glad Lowepro made this buckle metal. Of course, cheap plastic will break eventually from the weight. Nice same size pocket. Solid zip as well. Alright, so these are some of the equipments that you can fit into the Lowepro Magnum 200 AW. So obviously I will not bring all the dividers. Accessory pack that came with it, I'll just put it at the side. Okay. The Nikkor 200-500 without hood. This can be placed upright. Nikon D780. Face the screen inside, so when there's bumps, the screen is protected. Nikkor 50mm. So a divider here. Still can put here. Nikkor 70-200 VR f4 nano. Photo clamp mini 30 NS. This one is small. Put it at the side. Batteries at the top. Rode Wireless Go, miscellaneous SD cards, SD card reader, put it at the top pouch. Remote, put it at the front. Mini baby tripod, and loop it outside. Endless attachments, MH25A, can put it at the front or the side, whichever. GoPro Hero 7, let's throw it here. Phone. Put it inside here. Skyray King. This one uses 4 18650 batteries, so it's fat and thick. Of course, I'm going to put it better, but this is just for illustration. Victorinox Swiss 2 accessory at the front. This is a good one. 1 liter Nalgene bottle. You can attach it outside. There are many attachment loops. Okay, so that's all. See if we can close the lid with the 200-500 standing upright. Definitely possible. You still can add stuff if you manage it better, but this, as I mentioned, this is for quick illustration only. Yeah, the 200-500 fits finally. Okay, now this thing weighs a ton. That's when the metal hook comes in, man. I don't think it will break, but I'm going to reinforce this with one more carabiner. So if this one really breaks due to the weight, there's one more carabiner backup holding the weight, so the bag will not crash on the floor. At this weight, honestly, I would be carrying a backpack here. In comparison with the Nikon free bag, you see, I cannot close. See? Yeah, so this Magnum 200 AW definitely will settle my problem of carrying minimum equipments. Nice. This was the first thing I noticed about the shoulder sling when I went out with the bag. I am 1.71 meters tall. This is the shortest length for the shoulder sling, unfortunately, and I don't really like it. Not that comfortable. Every step I take, it is banging on my hips and ass, and I need to sit down on dirty grounds. I don't want the bag to touch my dirty ass. This is at the longest length. I don't know why Lowepro makes it so unnecessarily long. It's ridiculous as shown. Could have made it shorter, but not super long. I will send it to the shop and just restitch it to the shorter version. Not much of an issue. Thanks for watching, guys. Any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Help to give a like. That's all for today.